This introduction covers connecting your phone to a Denon soundbar like the DHTS216 or newer AVR series using Bluetooth for seamless wireless audio. The video includes pairing, reconnection, and troubleshooting common issues. With Bluetooth 5.3 as standard, expect faster pairing and better range up to 30 meters. Ensure your Denon soundbar is ready for pairing. First, activate Bluetooth mode on your Denon soundbar. Typically, this involves pressing a dedicated Bluetooth button on the soundbar or its remote. A blinking light indicates that the soundbar is in discovery mode and ready to pair. Refer to your soundbar's manual for the exact button or process. On your smartphone, whether iOS or Android, navigate to the Bluetooth settings. Your Denon soundbar's name, such as Denon DHTS2116, should appear in the list of available devices. Select the soundbar to initiate pairing. You might be prompted for a PIN, usually 000 or no PIN required. Once paired, the soundbar's indicator light should become solid. Once paired, your phone and Denon soundbar automatically reconnect when in range. Denon soundbars store up to 8 paired devices, prioritizing the last connected device. If reconnection fails, ensure Bluetooth is enabled on both devices and that they are within range. First, ensure your Denon soundbar is in pairing mode. Press the Bluetooth button on the soundbar or remote until you see a blinking light. Second, verify Bluetooth is enabled on your phone. Open the notification shade and ensure the Bluetooth icon is active. Third, ensure you're within Bluetooth range. Move closer to the soundbar, as signals can reach up to 30 meters in ideal conditions. Fourth, check for interference. Keep away from microwaves, Wi-Fi routers, and other Bluetooth devices that can disrupt the signal. For more persistent Bluetooth connection issues, start with power cycling your Denon soundbar. This resets the device and can clear temporary glitches. Unplug the soundbar from its power source and wait 30 seconds. This allows the internal components to fully reset. After 30 seconds, plug the soundbar back in and turn it on. Next, on your phone, forget or remove the Denon soundbar from the paired Bluetooth devices list. This clears any corrupted pairing data. For Android phones, open Bluetooth settings, find your Denon soundbar in the paired devices list, and select Forget or Remove Device. Confirm when prompted. For iPhones, go to Settings, Bluetooth, tap the info icon next to your Denon soundbar, and select Forget this device. Confirm the action. Once you've forgotten the device on your phone, go back to the soundbar's pairing mode and repeat the initial pairing steps to reconnect. Keep your Denon soundbar's firmware up to date to ensure optimal performance. Use the Denon Home app, available on iOS and Android, to manage your soundbar. The app lets you check for and install updates, simplifies pairing, and provides diagnostic tools. Some updates specifically address Bluetooth compatibility issues, especially with newer Android or iOS versions. Bluetooth operates on the 2.4 GHz frequency, which can be affected by Wi-Fi. If experiencing dropouts, try switching your Wi-Fi to the 5 GHz band. If problems persist, consult Denon's official support website or contact customer service for model-specific assistance. Remember to provide your soundbar model number and phone type when seeking help.